there, this is Shauna of the Shauna Method, and today I am giving holiday organizing tips. And this tip is to save you a little grief on Christmas morning. When you buy and are wrapping gifts for children primarily, children who don't want to wait, they just want to get right in and start playing with that toy. If the toy comes in a blister pack, one of these monsters, these are hard to open. Then you get sharp edges. And if you open this on Christmas morning, like you're going to lose potentially small pieces or a warranty or something important. So my tip is take toys particularly out of blister packs. Do the hard work with the shears or scissors or knife or however you make these things open up. Take the toys out. Additionally, if you're giving a toy to a child that needs batteries, put the batteries in before you wrap it. This will also save you time on Christmas, and it will be helpful when the child is impatient to start playing. You will already have the battery situation figured out. When you do this in advance, you have the opportunity to take any important paperwork, warranty cards, extra parts, whatever, and safely stash them away in a place that you will remember when Christmas is over. So make Christmas morning smoother by removing difficult packaging, blister packs, adding batteries, and keeping all important extra parts in a designated location. Happy holidays!